Would you like some Waffle House? You hungry? I got a double waffle pecan. It's still hot, but let me grab my sunscreen out of here. They're good. They're good. You're going to like them. Enjoy. Have a good breakfast. You're not a big chocolate person? What?
Wonderful people. Good night.
Good night.
Please call me.
If somebody asks you if you wanted chocolate or strawberry milk, you would 100% go for strawberry milk. You're weird. Strawberry milk? You are loco. Hey, foodies. We will be live at Sugi's Chocolate Factory tonight in just a couple moments. You'd go for a chocolate waffle? I love you for watching. Email me at chocolatesugee.com and cash app $chocolatesugee. When you guys cash out $chocolatesugee, send a gift to Super Chat. It goes to our Foodie Foundation. It helps feed the homeless. I love you. I love you. I love you. Where am I going? I'm going home. We're going to eat our waffles. I truly love you for watching. Bye.